Welcome back to my channel where I share with you my passion of food and travel. So I take the opportunity of thanking you all for my first video and whoever shared my video and subscribed my video. So today's recipe is very special because it's like a fusion of Indian and Chinese, and it's called Chicken Tikka Jalfrezi. So basically it's like a stir-fried vegetable with chicken. So I'll give you the list of ingredients what we have. So for Chicken Tikka Jalfrezi we have some bell peppers like red, yellow, green, and I have a chili also, 2 chili cut in julienne. So it basically in this recipe everything you have to cut it in julienne. So I have 1 medium-sized onion cut in julienne also, and I have half tomato, and you have 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic, and some few coriander leaves. And on dry spice we have 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and half teaspoon of curcuma, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And I have 2 or 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. And for this I'm using chicken tikka. So it's like 1 chicken breast chicken tikka, which I already made yesterday, and it's a leftover. So, and I have for garnish I have some julienne, ginger, and few coriander leaves. So let's get started. In a wok you need some oil. So we'll put some oil. Let the oil get heat a little bit. So you need some, first we'll put some onion. So a little bit, you have to saute a little bit, not brown it, just saute it till it becomes translucent. So it's like a stir fry, so you have to be very fast in this. Chicken, I love chicken jalfrezi for this reason only, because you can cook very fast. If you have chicken tikka ready or chicken leftover, you can do this recipe very fast. So now we'll add some, we'll add the peppers. I'll leave this one outside. I will add now ginger and garlic. The smell is very, very good. I love the smell of ginger and garlic. Alright, now I'll add the tomato. Now you can add all the spices, dry spices. So, coriander, cumin, turmeric, red chili powder. I like a little bit spicy, so I'll put. You can put according to your taste. So, you add a little bit of salt to taste, so you can try salt. How much? You put a little bit, and then I can try the salt also. And then you put, just leave it like this for a few 1 minute, and slow a little bit, so the spice can leave its oil. So leave it just like this. Now you can put your tomato. I'll put my tomato, and then I have some green, this chili, mild chili and red chili also. So I'll put some, and now I can put some of my chicken tikka. Toss a little bit. So you can add a little bit of water to have a little bit sauce. So I'll add a little bit of water in this. I'll add a little bit of dash of water. So a little bit of water. That's it. And now I'll put some coriander. And I'll put some garam masala also, garam masala powder. So now, the end, we taste the salt and spice, everything. I can put a little bit of salt more. The taste is very good. So I'm using Himalaya salt, by the way. It's good for your health. Himalaya salt. So my dish is over. It's finished. Very tasty. Now I will plate it and I'll show you. So now I will plate my dish. It's looking very yummy. Chicken Tikka Jalfrezi, my favorite dish. And it's very easy to make and very fast to make. Sometimes if you are very lazy or you don't feel like cooking, this recipe is very good. So now I will garnish with some curry ginger, julienne. Few coriander. So this is my Chicken Tikka Jalfrezi. Please try, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave your lovely comments for the next time. Thank you very much.